Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a focused Java project so you can build quickly. Open Android Studio, confirm JDK and Android SDK paths, then choose New Project with empty activity and Java selected. Once done, make sure Gradle sync completes without errors. This ensures dependencies download and your project structure is valid. You need a matching Android API level to test. Pick the lowest API that supports your target features, so emulators and devices behave predictably during development. You now implement the UI and connect it to Java. Edit activity main. XML using constraint layout for responsive layouts, then in main activity bind views via find view by ID or enable view binding for safer code. Once views are wired, implement event handlers and background tasks using async task alternatives like executors. This keeps UI responsive. Also, declare runtime permissions in the manifest and request them in code. Make sure Gradle builds successfully after adding libraries so compile time checks catch issues early. You finish by running and validating the app on an emulator or a physical device. Enable developer options and USB debugging on the device first. Use logcat and breakpoints to trace runtime behavior and Android Profiler to inspect memory and CPU hotspots so you can optimize. Once stable, create a signed release APK or AAB, configure ProGuard or R8 for shrinking, and test the sign build. Troubleshooting tip. If Gradle sync or run fails, clear caches and invalidate caches /restart to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.